What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. The snack of today's video is a chocolate donut. Welcome to day 2 of my rainbow series. Well, not my rainbow series, but if you missed the first day, which was red, it should be the last video on my channel. So, you know, it's just like a few clicks away if you want to go watch that before you watch this one. Today we're doing orange. Yeah, I'm excited, so let's get into it. I don't know what I'm doing, but let's do it. By the way, I am selling a camera on OfferUp. I will leave the link in the description. If I forget, please comment. This is what it looks like. I'm selling it so that I can get a new one, because the one that I have isn't meant for making videos, it's meant for taking pictures. So I want to get a camera that I can record videos on. I'll be getting money on Christmas, so I'll be able to really invest in a new setup, get lights, a backdrop. I'm so excited. Okay, so I decided to do my brows off camera because I always end up speeding past it anyway. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my brows, I do have a dedicated video for that, as well as my foundation and, you know, my whole base. I'm not going to be doing that after I do my eyeshadow, so yeah, I also have a dedicated video for that if you want to know. I'm going to go in with some of this yellow right here. This is a palette from GV and Eves on Instagram. And I'm just going to put this in the transition, right in the crease. I have no idea what kind of look I'm going for, by the way. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wing it out. So what I do when I want to change the shape is I take whatever brush I have in my hand, go in with that transition, and I start at my outer corner and I bring it up and flick towards my brow tail. And then I just connect it to everything else. I know right now it's kind of hard to see because I'm using yellow, but you'll be able to see it once we start deepening everything up. So now I'm going to take this Beauty Creations palette in Esmeralda, and I'm going to take this orange shade down here. I'm going to put this a little bit lower in the transition, or in the crease, excuse me. Okay, I feel like that did nothing. Okay, so I went in with this color from Beauty Creations Olivia palette. So I went in with this one right here, and it looks very similar to the one that was in this one. Oh no, this one's a little more mustard yellow. If you can see that, these two shades right here, they looked very similar at first glance and when I put them on my eye, but the one in the bigger palette is slightly darker. The one in the little palette is a lot more mustard yellow and not so much orange. So I thought they were the same shade for a second, but they're not. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with that orange from the Olivia palette, and I'm gonna deepen. Now going into this e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in Jewel Pop, and I'm going to take this orange right here, and I'm just going to put this even lower in the crease. It's very pumpkin colored. Focusing this as low as possible in the crease and winging it out. Now I'm going into this Kara Professional makeup palette. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I'm just gonna take the same brush. And then I'm going to go with that same Kara palette, and I'm going to go with this bright orange down here. It's almost like a red orange. I kind of hate that. Like, that's orange. This is like a blood orange.
Blood orange? She's so pretentious. Shut up, it's red. Blood orange.
I guess this is an all matte look. Haven't had one of those in a while. Too bad I just don't have any orange glitter. I'm gonna use this glitter liner from Wet n Wild in Golden Goddess. Okay, so the tops of the eyes are done. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then come back and do the under eyes. Okay, so while my lashes dry, let's do under my lower lash line. I'm gonna take that same brush that we used pretty much throughout the entire crease, not taking any extra product, just going in with what's left. So I did my whole base, powder, bronzer, highlight, blush, all that, and didn't realize that I didn't do concealer. I completely skipped concealer, which is so weird because concealer is literally my favorite part. Now I'm going in with that orange from the e.l.f. palette and a teeny tiny packing brush, and I'm gonna put that as close to my lower lash line as possible. For my lips, I just used e.l.f.'s Lip Color in Praline and e.l.f. Pout Perfector in Glow. These are Rena lashes in the style Kiki. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the second day of my rainbow series. Yellow is coming on Friday, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!